Dear contest holder, first of all, take my greetings. In this video, I will discuss the website that has been developed for you. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh and I am a professional and expert web developer. First, I read the full description on your project where you want to redesign and develop your current website, and I have already redesign your old website, which is much better layout than before, and this is your website. Also, I have used JavaScript on this website, and include WP CMS, so your website is much faster than before. And also want to use Google SEO if you declare me winner on your contest. Let's take a look at my entries, and I'm filtering of only my entries. I have submitted total 7 entries on your project. First of all, I want to talk you. Thank you so much for staying in my entries. I developed your website live streaming, so you can watch the developed stream video in this link. I just copy and open in link new tab and paste and go to the main video. It took about 5 hours to develop your full website. So let's start discussing your new website. I have designed this website completely according to your requirements. I hope you will like it very much as it contains all the information and layout you need. First, I used your logo and gave the menu on the right side. Then I include the slogan here and added the Google review section below it, and added your contact information below and a picture on the right side. Then I add your about us section. I love your signature with the design and the image here. I hope it looks great to you. Here you will have your signature so that your customer will know that this is your one website. And I have add scroll to the service section. So click on learn more. Again, I'm click on the learn more. Now you can see a picture and a complete idea about your service. And now I close the pop-up. In a word, I have developed the website in a way that suit your business perfectly. That is, I have made the website very clean so that your customer will be surprised to see your website. And below I have given 4 pictures as a gallery of your business because customer will want to see some pictures as your portfolio. So I think this section should be put on the website, but if you want I will delete this section. And below all I have given the contact form and information on your website, and here is the Google map. I have also designed 3 more pages, so I think you will check this out for yourself, because every page is great and of professional quality. So I think my website is perfect for your business, and I will design this website better. So without delay, let me win your contest so that I can better develop this website for your organization. If you declare me on your website and your website is developed by me, I will give you full 2 years domain and hosting free. So no worries about your design and hosting. So don't delay and send me a winner and message me in your contest now. Bye bye.